very nice morning. Weather is changing. This is how nature will take off after humanity will end very quickly. It's just a matter of perspective in life. Life is not different. It's same for everyone, but everyone take it differently. I'm an explorer. You gotta hurry up, man, because as soon as you will realize how short this life is to live happily, you will see like you wasted time. So don't waste time. Yes, whatever you want, you can have it very easily. The best key is don't expect nothing. Live freely. You don't have to prove anyone. It's a very nice American TV program known as Friends. I love the way they lived initially. I don't need friends like who live very nicely but they separate. I mean, how separation or being away from them can be ever be an option. If you're friends, if it's comfortable and you're enjoying, so like live with your friends, trust your friends, you know, and promote friendship. Be a good friend. Yeah, nice shirt. Be a good friend, you know.